This is a bathroom lock in a pocket door, and it often gets stuck. So what we want to do is to replace it. First, I'm taking off the strike plate, and then I'm taking off this pocket door lock altogether. So now we have a hole that is left over here. I filled the old strike hole with wood filler so that we can paint it over later. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole for a round lock. A round pocket door lock, such as this Kwikset one found in Amazon, has a much longer reach and therefore can better and more securely lock the door.
I'll be using this guide to drill the lock holes. So there's going to be one here in the front that will come out on the back, and also there's going to be another hole here for the latch or bolt. So this way it will be a standard lock size and easy to install a lock into.
We're going to use a special drill bit to drill a hole into the door.
Alright, I just finished removing the hole, so now we have a nice hole in this door here.
For the latch, we also use a special drill bit, just a smaller one.
Okay, now both holes are done. This one is done as well. So the hole is now made on the side as well as on the latch, and then over here I've marked where the latch will go. So I marked the area where we're gonna have the hole. This is for the strike.
Now I'm going to chisel the shape of where the lock plate is gonna go.
I'm gonna need to carve this out.
We're going to carve this out following the wood grain. That way it's easier to remove the pieces.
Now it should be easier to take out these little slivers, like that. We can put this one in here. This will just go in here, and then we can screw it in.
And here are the screws. Now let's install the turning knob.
I just put this in. Now I just need to add these screws to make it secure. Okay, this lock is in, and you can see that it extends pretty far out here, so it will have a better grip on the door frame.
Now I need to make the hole for the strike plate. I do that first by drilling and then carving out the appropriate sized hole.
Okay, the new lock is here. Locked. Now we just have to fix this hole. So for this wood lock, we're gonna remove this one altogether, and instead of that, we have this thing which is a door pull. It doesn't have a lock, but it fits perfectly in here. It's designed to replace these locks. All is covered.
We are now sanding the door frame so that we can paint it nice and white so that you won't even see the old hole anymore.
I just sanded this wood filler and added some more here, so now it's ready for painting.
It is so satisfying to see this painted and make it look as good as new. There you have it. The lock closes and is secure, and you can also easily open it.